Hi, I'm Sarah Vance, and today we're going to talk about customer segmentation in Marketing Cloud using data filters. I wanted to make this video to show all the possibilities that this tool offers for our projects in Marketing Cloud. If you have not yet seen our video about segmentation in Marketing Cloud, I recommend that you stop this video and go to part 1 where we explain segmentation options, as well as the available segmentation tools on the Marketing Cloud platform. Today, we're going to see when this functionality can be used and how to get the most out of it when targeting a specific segment of our audience in Marketing Cloud. As we explained in the previous video, data filters are a tool for data segmentation in a data extension or a list of subscribers. If you want to create an email marketing campaign quickly and easily, this is your best option. Data filters are a tool for filtering existing data in Email Studio. By creating a new data filter, we will adjust the fields to obtain a more specific set of subscribers from our audience. To create a new data filter, there are two options. We can do it from the drop-down menu of the Subscribers field, or within the folder of the data extension that we want to filter. The Fields window will show the same attributes defined in our original data extension, in addition to different digital interaction metrics that we will use to filter data. We have the option of performing a segmentation, for example, using customer attributes like their geographic area, a purchase number, if they are a VIP customer, in addition to their digital interaction data, for example, if they have opened one of our emails in the last 30 days. This allows us to configure a more advanced segmentation. Data filters give us the possibility to drag these fields to the central window in order to create filtering preferences. Selecting the operators that interest us, such as is greater than, is less than, or is equal to, helps us to create statements where the value of the field to be completed is compared with the defined operator. For example, the purchase is greater than 6 items, or the city is equivalent to Madrid. On the other hand, there's the possibility to change the relational condition between fields with and or. This condition facilitates the segmentation of fields according to our preferences. For example, purchase more than 6 items and located in the city of Barcelona, or purchased more than 6 items or located in the city of Madrid. Finally, when saving our data filter, it will be added to the same folder where the original data extension is located. This means that the data filter will be automatically created according to our specifications. If you want to use filter rules already assigned to a data filter, you can create a new one from the one that already exists. This allows you to modify and add more fields and specifications. If at any time we decide to update the segmentation of our data, we can update our data filter manually or automatically, as we will see below with Automation Studio. Within Automation Studio, we are provided with the possibility of creating a filter activity, which will automatically apply our data filter. We will then define the name of our activity and select which data filter we are going to use in our subsequent automation. Next, we will write the output name, which is necessary to identify our new filter in the data extension folder. And finally, we will hit the Create button to generate a new data filter activity. Later, we can create a new automation, applying a schedule and the filter activity that we have created. We can configure the schedule depending on when we want the automation to be executed, thus updating all the data in our data extension and creating a new filter. This functionality allows us to save a lot of time when applying filters to our data because it's not necessary to update or apply them manually. On the other hand, another fundamental tool when using data filters are data relationships, which link a unique identifier in common, designated as the primary key. For example, if we have a data extension with all our contacts, and in another data extension, the discounts applicable to each of these contacts, we can create a new data relationship that relates these two. Later, we can create a data filter from our data extension of all contacts, where we will find a new segmentation field, data relationships. Keep in mind that there are limitations. For example, data filters only run one data extension filter at a time, unless you're using data relationships between two data extensions. To create customer segmentations in multiple data extensions, you can use the SQL activities. Our recommendation is that data filters are a safe and effective way to create relational data segmentation, which will help us when launching campaigns with the aim of targeting a specific segment of our audience. Remember that data filters have the following advantages: flexibility to use data criteria when segmenting our customers, quick and easy to create new segmentations in our audience. It's not necessary to have advanced knowledge of query language, as is the case with SQL activities. It is simply a point-and-click tool. And it's a clear example of how to segment by user engagement, as segmentation allows you to reach a more specific audience with a relevant message. I hope you enjoyed this video. Surely now you know more about Marketing Cloud. If you'd like to continue receiving information about marketing and Salesforce, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.